In this video, we'll be seeing about Kangaroo, which is a Grasshopper plugin used for making very close to realistic physics simulations. So once you install Kangaroo, this is how the Kangaroo tab will look like. And let us do a folding simulation in this video. Let me start by initializing 4 points. So here we have 4 points, and we'll try to make 2 triangles which can fold using this line as its hinge. So first we'll use the length component. This will fix the length of this line so that when folding all the points don't fly away. So let's see how it's useful. Now solver, there are many types of solver, and the mostly used one is the classic solver, which will take in inputs as the goal objects and the button which you can use to reset the simulation. The others are mostly not commonly used, and apart from this there are other types of solvers called the bouncy solver, which is very close to the real-time physics because it solves with momentum included. And there is a zombie solver which solves everything and finally gives the output. So let's use the classic solver in this example. We'll use the hinge component. So this is our hinge, and these are the 2 extreme points which will be folding by using this as a hinge. So the fold start point is this, which is the origin, and the fold end point is this, which is the starting and ending point of the hinge. And these 2 are the 2 corresponding tips. And let's use a slider to give the angle, and by default all the angles are in radians, so we need a conversion between radians to degrees here. So this will convert to radians. And this strength parameter decides how much effect this particular component has while solving compared to the other components. So you can actually have multiple goal objects and solve simultaneously. So let's see what happens. And you need a button always to reset the simulation. So as you can see, the resultant points, they have flown away because they aren't connected together by a strong rigid support. So this is why we use this line component, which acts like a beam. So we have seen this line component takes 2 points as its input and gives the line as its output. So let's make all the 4 lines. Now we have all the 4 lines. So let us connect all the lines to this input. So this accepts lines as its input and how much length it can vary, and the strength parameter that I was talking about. So to add connect multiple components together, press on the shift button. So you can see a small plus icon near the mouse cursor, and you can connect multiple components together like this. And let the strength be default 10. Now we can see it's much better, but still the folding is not as we expected. This is because all the points are moving. So for that we'll use something called as an anchor. Here we can give certain points which stay in the fixed position. For example, let us keep the hinge points fixed. By pressing on your shift you can add this point as well. Now we'll have two goals which will try to maintain these 2 points at their position. Again use shift to connect this here, and that's it, we have a perfect folding. So now you can see the use of preview here, because these are actually trying to hinder the solver's preview. So let us click all them and switch off the preview. So yeah, this is how we can make a folding, and you can double click this to get all the views. So this helps us to visualize what is exactly happening. So this is how we use the solver of Kangaroo to simulate folding, and this will give the resultant vertices. So in case we need to use the value of the current vertices, we can use from this, and this will give the objects which are the 4 lines, and this will be the number of iterations. You can adjust certain parameters to improve the simulation as per your requirement.